you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your nay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your nay. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your nay. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Showy. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Showy. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Showy.
What you just watched wasn't made by a big animation studio. It was created completely with AI. These fun, colorful kids' rhyme videos are getting millions of views, and the channels behind them make thousands of dollars every month from YouTube. And the best part? You can create videos like this too, using 100% free AI tools, no editing skills, and no complicated software. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is generate our music lyrics. You can write them yourself or let AI do the magic for you. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT to write our rhyme lyrics. Now, here's the exact prompt I'll be using. I want to generate lyrics for kids based on the song titled, If You're Happy and You Know It. Make it interesting, super engaging, and educational for kids. Once the prompt has been written, go ahead and click on Generate. ChatGPT will instantly create our lyrics, complete with verses and a chorus. Once ChatGPT has generated our lyrics, the next thing we need to do is turn those lyrics into music, and for that, we'll be using Suno AI. Suno AI is an amazing free tool that can create full songs with vocals and background instruments automatically. Here's how to use it step by step. Open your Chrome browser and search for Suno AI. Click on the one with this logo. Sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the music icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Then set your dashboard to custom. This allows you to personalize your music the way you want. Next, paste the lyrics you copied from ChatGPT. Just below that, you'll see music styles. You can select any style that fits your song. If you don't have any idea, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate a style prompt for you and paste it there. Now, scroll up and look for the title box. Type in something simple like Kids Rhyme so you can easily find your track later. Once everything looks good, click on Create. Wait a few seconds while Suno AI generates your music. It will create two different versions using the same lyrics. When both are ready, tap to listen to each one and choose the version you like best. Finally, click on the three dots beside your chosen track and select Download, then choose MP3 and save it directly to your phone. Once you've downloaded your music, the next thing you need to do is generate the images that we'll use to create our animation. But before that, we first need an image prompt, and this is where ChatGPT comes in again. We're going to ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts based on our music lyrics. These prompts will help us create colorful scenes, fun characters, and even cute animals that match each line of the song. Here's the exact prompt you can copy and paste into ChatGPT. Generate creative, colorful, and kid-friendly image prompts based on this music lyrics. Each image should include different characters, animals, and fun backgrounds that make the rhyme visually engaging and educational for kids. Once ChatGPT gives you your image prompts, copy them and save them because we'll use them in the next step to generate our actual images using an AI image tool. Now that we have our image prompts, the next step is to generate the images. For this, we'll be using a free image generation tool called Microsoft Bing AI Image Generator. Here's how to do it step by step. Open your Chrome browser and search for Microsoft Bing AI Image Generator. Click on Bing AI, and once it opens, sign in with your Google account. This is how your interface will look. Below the image section, you'll see a space to paste your prompt. Paste your prompt there. Next, select the quantity. You'll see two options, GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. GPT-4 generates one high-quality image per session. DALL-E 3 generates several images at once, but the quality may vary. For this tutorial, we'll use GPT-4 for the best quality. Then, select the aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, use 16:9, 3:2. You can adjust if you prefer other ratios. Tap Create and wait a few seconds for the image to generate. Once the image appears, tap on it, click the download arrow and save it to your device. Repeat this process for every other image you want to generate using your prompts. Once all the images we need are ready, the next step is to turn these images into a video, just like the one you saw at the beginning of this tutorial. For this, we'll be using a free AI tool called Grok. Here's how to do it. Open your Play Store or App Store and search for Grok. Select the app with this logo and install it on your phone. Once installed, sign in with your Google account. This is how the dashboard will look once you're logged in. Once you're in Grok, click on Imagine. This is where you turn your images into videos. Below, you'll see the image icon. Tap on it to upload the image you want to animate. After uploading, click on Make Video. Wait a few seconds, and your first video will be ready. It may not look perfect at first, so we'll customize it. To do that, paste in an animation prompt. ChatGPT can help you create this prompt. Then regenerate the video. After a few seconds, the video will be improved, moving naturally instead of just standing still. Once you're happy with it, download it to your phone. Now, we'll do the same for the second image. Select the image. Add your animation prompt. Regenerate and download. Repeat this process for all remaining images, turning each one into an animated video. Once all your videos are ready, the final step is editing, combining all the animated clips with your Suno AI music to create the complete kids' rhyme video. For editing, you can use any video editing app of your choice, but in this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. Open your CapCut app and create a new project. Import all your animated clips. Tap on Audio Sounds Upload to add the music you created with Suno AI. Next, cut out any unnecessary parts to make sure your audio aligns perfectly with each clip. You can also add animations, effects, and auto captions to keep viewers engaged. Make any other adjustments to your taste, then set the highest resolution and export the video to your gallery. And here is our final AI Kids Rhyme video.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your name. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your name. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Your name. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Shout it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Shout it. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Shout it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hee hee! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hee hee! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hee hee! Stamp channel fun and fit! If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands! Stamp your feet! Turn hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all four.
And that's it. This is just a simple method to create your own AI Kids Rhyme for free and even make money while doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a tutorial idea you want me to cover, share it in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well. I'll see you in the next one.